There are a lot of affiliate programs out there, and most of them either pay too little, they don't convert well, or they cancel your commissions after a year. So that's why in this video, I'm breaking down 13 affiliate programs I believe are the best in 2026, either ones I personally use or would recommend based on payouts, consistency, and long-term potential. Some are recurring, some are high ticket, some are easy to scale. So let's dive in. Now, before we do, make sure to click the link in the description below. It's a free AI launch plan. You can get a free training and help you pick your niche and build your entire content plan with AI so you can get started. Now let's get into it. Part one is recurring tools. Let's start with programs that actually pay you monthly for as long as the customer stays. Number one is Thinkific. So Thinkific has been one of my most consistent income sources over the years. They pay 30% recurring commissions. Because online courses are typically sticky products, people stay subscribed. So if you talk about education, monetization, or creators, it's one of the best programs to promote out there. Number two is Kajabi. So Kajabi is another online course membership platform, very strong affiliate program. They pay a 30% lifetime recurring, and it's an easy pitch for people who are serious about building their brand or their business. Number three is anything AI with 30 to 50% recurring commissions. So in 2026, there are lots of AI tools launching affiliate programs, but most cut you off after 12 months. So I look for ones that offer commissions that are recurring of 30 to 50%, no expiration date. That means you keep getting paid every month, even years later, as long as you retain those customers. Number four is WPX hosting. So most web hosts offer a one-time payout. WPX has strong payout performance. Your audience will actually thank you for. So anyone building websites or blogs, web hosting is kind of this evergreen offer, and WPX is a really good hosting program. They pay up to like $150 a sale. Number five is just VPNs in general, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, etc. So they're not new, they're not flashy, but they're a volume play. So you can make like $50 to $150 per sign up depending on the deal and the campaign. They're easy to integrate into blog posts, YouTube videos, or review content. There's even people out there that are doing like how to jailbreak an Amazon Fire Stick, or things that are about, why you need a VPN, getting tons of views on YouTube and making six figures a month just from creating these simple talking head style videos. Now that's not typical, but VPNs is quite an interesting affiliate model that way. Okay, so those are recurring. Let's get to part two, which is high ticket programs. So these are great if you want like fewer needed customers, but bigger payouts. So number six on the list is Goldco. I've been in this one. This is a gold IRA rollover company. So yes, very niche, but the commissions are high. So 4 to 5 figures per sale, basically. People are investing a lot of money into retirement plans. So if you have an older skewing audience, it can work very well. Number seven is Backcountry. So most outdoor affiliate programs cap their payments at like 5%. Backcountry pays up to 12%, which is huge for outdoor physical products. So if you're in the adventure, hiking, travel niche, Backcountry is a good one. They also have tons of products for massive brands, which really helps conversion rates. Number eight on the list is Shark and Ninja. So this one's interesting because it's a physical product affiliate, but they have up to 20% commissions. So this covers home, kitchen, all these kind of things, productivity. It's a great brand to promote. So think of like Shark, Ninja, blenders, all these things, lots of kitchen gadgets, but it converts well because people know the name. And it's one of the highest commission rates I've seen for physical products of up to 20%. Number nine on the list is Shopify, still one of the easiest programs to promote in the e-commerce space. You get paid per sign up. The product is legit. Their dashboard's really easy to use. So even if you're not in e-commerce, some things like how to sell online, tutorials, it can drive conversions there. It's a very well-known product. And really when you're thinking about affiliate for these types of products, something that's like mass appeal, it has a $30 a month plan up to a $100 a month plan is really the sweet spot for affiliate marketing. All right, let's get into part three, and that is affiliate marketplaces and scaling with volume. So we look at platforms and networks that help you scale either by offering lots of affiliate deals or by making it easier to monetize one niche very deeply. So number 10 is travel payouts. So travel payouts gives you access to dozens of travel affiliate programs in one dashboard. That's like flights, hotels, car rentals, insurance, a lot of different things, helpful widgets and tools. So if you're in travel or in the digital nomad space, this simplifies everything. You can just join travel payouts and go into that dashboard instead of joining, 50 different ones like booking.com and all the others. Number 11, TikTok Shop. So this is newer, but it's growing very fast. You promote trending products through TikTok content, you get paid on the sales. So it's not recurring, but this impulse buy in nature makes it great for high volume creators. Think multiple videos a day even on TikTok, recommending products, things like Amazon products, things you're using and showing and how you like them. Number 12 is Impact. which is overall my favorite affiliate platform. So it gives you access to hundreds of different affiliate programs from major brands like tech, travel, health, finance, all kinds of different brands. Manages tracking and reporting in one place. You don't need to manage each program separately. Similarly, number 13 is PartnerStack. So if you want to promote software, PartnerStack is a must join. It's a network built specifically for SaaS affiliate programs. So you'll find tools like Notion, Thinkific's in there, and others all in one place. So you can apply once and then you can promote multiple tools easily. So that is my list of the 13 best affiliate programs of 2026. If you're just starting out, I really recommend you either pick a recurring program, you pick a volume one, right, a high volume one, or a high ticket one. Now, if you want help building your first actual content system, launching a content strategy around these programs, check out the free training. Click the link below. I'll walk you through how to use AI to actually choose your niche, get started with affiliate content using simple frameworks that still work. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video.